Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Lowe's for Pros commercial account card. Okay, it is about a net 55, net 60-day card. So that can be used basically online on Lowe's.com or in the store at the Lowe's Center. Okay, they do have other cards, as you guys can see here. They have a Business Advantage Press, but those you're going to have to do a personal guarantee. So we're not even going to cover those. Let you guys know this one, Lowe's for Pros card, it is underwritten through Synchrony Bank or Synchrony Financial, just like the J.C. Penney's and Phillips card that I've done, Decor, and the Sam's Club. I think a few others out there. So what's nice about the Lowe's for Pros card is that it actually reports to Experian, like clockwork, and Dun and Bradstreet. So those that are really looking to build up your business credit, I always tell you guys need to build up your business credit with Experian. That's the number one focus. Okay. Experian is our solid, good trade lines. Okay. So this is a card you definitely want to try to get. Okay. Go over the requirements real quick as well and kind of show you the application. This video is not going to be very long. I'm just going to go through the requirements real quick. To be able to get approved for this, I will tell you right now, you want to have at least, I would say, 3 other Experian reporting trade lines reporting on your Experian business credit profile. If you don't, then you're probably not going to get approved. Now, I always talk about interbanking relationships, so it's probably good to have this J.C. Penney's that's underwritten through Synchrony, or this one, the Phillips 66 Conoco 76 card, that's underwritten through Synchrony as well. So that's why I've always preached to you guys in the past to build up that interbanking relationship with Synchrony, because if you do that, then you're going to have a better chance or a higher limit that you can get approved for future trade lines that's underwritten through Synchrony, such as the Sam's Club No PG Business MasterCard. Okay. So, I mean, it comes down to just, I would say, basic common sense. If you don't have that many trade lines and you go right into the Sam's Club and apply for the Sam's Club No PG Business MasterCard, you're probably going to get maybe just issued the store card for like $3,500, $2,500, something like that. But if you already have 2 or 3 months history built up with Synchrony, with some of their other credit accounts, such as, like I said, the Conoco or the J.C. Penney's commercial card or the Lowe's for Pros, then they're going to have a higher chance to get approved for the MasterCard version, not the store card version. And the limit can be higher, like 7,500 to 15,000, from what I've seen over the last couple years of teaching people business credit. So anyways, you just go to the Lowe's.com and then go to the Credit Business Center credit area. And then you want to hit apply right here for the pay in full with extended bi-monthly terms, meaning it was initially then net 30, but they give you, I think it's net 55, almost 2 months to pay. Like I said, it reports to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian Business first or second of every month. Anyways, here's the application. They have changed it a little bit where you have to verify your cell phone number first, and they'll send you a little code, all right, and your email. All right, you're going to put in your full legal company name. Look exactly what's on your Experian business credit profile, because that's who they're actually pulling the information from in the beginning. Okay, all this is pretty self-explanatory. It does ask for the Dun and Bradstreet number. If you don't have that, that's okay. At the bottom where it says request a credit line, don't put some crazy high amount unless you have 5 or 6 business credit trade lines reporting to Experian. If you don't, then I would say just put $2,500 to $3,500. Okay. And then you're going to hit continue. When you get to that, it's going to go over your personal information, and don't worry about it, because there's going to be an area where it says you're going to personal guarantee or you're not going to personal guarantee. Say you're not going to personally guarantee, all right? Then it's going to say options. When it says options, it's going to be like additional cards. Like this one says my name on it right there, right? So you can have an option to put, like, say, employees' names, say vice president of the company or whatever. All right. I mean, that's pretty much it. And maybe 50-50 if you're going to get approved. If you get the 7 to 10 day message, They may say to call in, it will have a reference number for you to call in. They may have more information, want to know more information about your business. A lot of times that what that is they're going to actually verify your 401 business phone number that's listed with your business. Okay. So make sure that you have your business number already listed with the 401 business directory by going to like listyourself.net and you can list your business. That takes a couple days. But if you haven't already done that and you're already established a bit, then still go ahead and apply. Worst case scenario, you get denied. You have to wait 30 days to reapply. That's it. Okay. I got this, I believe, when I had only like 4 business credit trade lines reporting. However, I did have these 2 cards already for a couple months. The JC Penney's and the Conoco are, like I said, both underwritten through Synchrony. Okay. So just recap real quick. Have at least be in business for, I would say, at least 6 months. Okay. Um, and have at least 3 business credit trade lines reporting on your Experian. So that could be like a NAV, Prime, NAV card, and then Uline. And you want to have at least one other that is reporting that is a kind of a higher dollar amount being reported. Okay, like a business gas card. A lot of those are reporting to Experian. Okay, if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section below. The next couple of videos I'm releasing are all to do with synchrony because you guys have been requesting that a lot. So I'm just putting out videos that are related to synchrony, and then I'll go over other underwriters as well. Okay. All that being said, you guys take care. Give the video a thumbs up. Appreciate it, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Bye bye.